Hey my pair squad, how are you all doing? These are my 8 ideas on how to earn money for stay-home moms 2020. Mabuhay, I'm Melanie, aka Content Pairs. If you wanna improve your style, be inspired, and get motivated in life, consider joining my squad. All you have to do is click that red button there and don't forget to ring the bell so that you will be notified if I have new upload videos and live streaming. So I will be uploading consistently every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday CST, and it would be 6 p.m. So I hope to see you on all of the premieres of my upload videos. So anyways, without further ado, let's jump into it. Let's get started. First on my list would be coaching. You can do this while staying home. So how will you do that? I have a coach in YouTube and she's stay home. She's earning money by teaching strategies, how to grow your channel, those kind of stuff. If you think you have some information or you have something that you're good at it, not just from YouTube or social media, you can teach something like in your experience in your life. There's a lot of people looking for someone to talk to one-on-one and give them some advice. So if you think you're a good coach, you are someone that knows how to talk to people and advise them with your expertise, that's your way to go, being a coach. And how will you do that? You need to brand yourself by using your social media. So you will start there and people will look for you. You are not gonna look for them. They will look for you if you're already branded yourself as a life coach or you are a YouTube coach. Second on my list would be YouTube. How to earn money in YouTube? Start your YouTube channel. Yes, you have to start your YouTube channel first. If you love talking to people, you want to meet new friends, you wanted to grow yourself, then your YouTube is your way to. How will you earn money for that? If you are doing networking, you're gonna reach more people. People will watch your videos, and then if they got viral, you get monetized. And what I mean by monetization, you get some ads on your channel, but you don't need to wait for that. You don't need to wait for monetization because you don't get a lot of money from monetization. What you can earn there, what you can do to earn while waiting for that monetization is affiliated program. So I will teach everything about affiliated program and how you earn money in YouTube on my next video on Wednesday. But yes, this is another idea with the YouTube channel. Start your YouTube channel and apply for affiliated program. I have a lot of YouTuber, a lot of influencer in Instagram, in Facebook, in YouTube. They use Amazon as their affiliated program. So I will let you know there. We will go there for my next videos. But yes, that's how you earn money using your YouTube channel. Third on my list would be starting your website. If you don't like talking to people, you're shy and you don't want to show yourself, you're a private person, you can blog. Blogging by using affiliated program. Starting what you're good at it. Share your experience or anything that you think people will value, people will click on. Then write it. You like writing, you like blogging, but you can apply for affiliate program while blogging. So that's how you earn money using your website. It will fall into affiliated program. Next on my list would be the fourth ideas is, so fourth on my list would be graphic designing. Yes, If you like designing, like you started your YouTube channel and you like making thumbnails, you like editing videos, you like making YouTube channel banner, on Facebook too, you like making banners. In graphic designing is another idea that you can earn money. Don't you know what? This is so good idea, because there's a lot of new YouTuber as well, small and big YouTuber looking for graphic designer that you can they will find you, see your YouTube channel that you have great banner. I'm pretty sure they will contact you, how you did this, how you did that, and that way you're reaching a lot of people. And coaching, YouTube, start your YouTube channel, start making your website using affiliate program in graphic design. Those are my 4 ideas. So what do you think, guys? So fifth on my list would be referral fee. How will you earn by referring people? Example, I have a YouTube coach. I mentioned it a while ago. And she's charging $300. And if you refer her to someone that is looking for coaching, YouTube coaching, you get 10% of the $300. So you get $30 already for just referring her to someone. What if you refer 10 and then they took that class on her? You have $300 by referring 10 people. It's a good money. It's not gonna cost too much time. I'm sorry. It's not gonna cost too much of your time, but it's a good source of income if you have people that you know that you can refer and you get commission by it or referral fee for it. Do it. So that's another idea that I have for you. So 6th of my list would be personal shopper. Have you heard by that? The personal shopper? I've been there. I used to be a personal shopper. I shop their clothing. I put together all of these clothes, but outside you can do it now online because of our situation. So you can be an online personal shopper. There's a lot of people out there. You're gonna be surprised that's gonna need your help if you are good in style, if you are good in looking for store that you can find quality products that they're looking for. So how will you find these people? They will find you by making your portfolio or your social media, branding yourself that you are a good styler. You like this kind of stuff. So you need to brand yourself first. You need to take charge on how you brand yourself first of the things that you want to do, and that way when they see you, you brand yourself, you made your portfolio, they will find you. I promise you, people will find you if you already branded yourself, and they will see your social medias that this is what you're good at it. So I hope you like that another idea that number 7. So number 7 on my list would be something that you can sell online, that you can make, that you're happy to make, like crafting. You like selling something online, anything, food, crafting, anything that you can make to sell. You can use Etsy, Amazon for it. Either income that you can do when you are a stay-home mom. You can earn money from doing that. So my last but not the least on live streaming. So what do you think? How will you earn money in doing live streaming? I just thought about this because I've been doing live streaming too, and I see a lot of people, Facebook, Instagram, and here in YouTube, they earn money by sponsor videos. So what I mean by sponsored videos, there's companies or YouTubers or influencers that looking for someone that will promote them and use their platform to promote the specific brand or influencer. That's how you earn money, by the sponsorship. They will pay you in promoting their channel, they're promoting their business, promoting their brand by just using live streaming in Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. So you can run ads on your stream. So those people, those brands, those businesses will pay you because you will do this consistently, and they will get viewers on their brand. They will get new people that will look into their products or their channels. If there are YouTuber, then you get some income, regular income. You can do that. You don't need to be expert with this. All you have to do is run their ads, promote their business here and there, talk about their business, and that way, if they see you, viewers will see you how good you are in promoting these businesses or brands or people. They will ask how they can collaborate with you, if they can work with you. So you need to start that and build your brand. And you never know, this is your calling, the live streaming, talking to people. If you are really talkative, or you like selling stuff, you like customer service, you like reviewing brands, or some sort of using live streaming, in that way you can earn extra money by doing this stuff. So I hope you like my 8 ideas on how to earn money for stay-home mom 2020. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on Wednesday. I will be talking about YouTube and affiliated program, how to earn money using affiliated program. I'll see you next time. Goodbye for now. If you want to win an entry for our grand launching of K-Ladies on September 6th, all you have to do is comment with the hashtag K-Ladies.